Plymouth Marine. Obviously, it's a really good name that we chose because it's a city, so we couldn't get a better name than that. And we do all things marine, in actual fact. Boat servicing, repairs, sales, dinghies, chartering, etc. There's a lot of things that we do, so it's got a diverse company.
We are the dealers for Nimbus boats for the whole of the southwest, and also for Beneteau boats as well, along with Highfield Ribs and also Sea-Doo Watercraft. We also are dealers for Yamaha, Honda, Mercury and outboard engines, and also Mercruiser inboard engines.
Location, absolutely key for what we do. As David's already said, we're Plymouth born and bred, we know the city well. But our location here with the Eastern Gateway, we have a lot of traffic, a lot of visibility, hence the work that's gone into this building. In addition to the fact that we also own our own waterway out here, and 15 minutes from the ocean, literally, with excellent coastlines, both east and west.
So yeah, we've just spent a huge amount of money on the new showroom and facilities here, with the new workshop facilities as well. We do have other plans. For the minute, we need to consolidate, obviously, what we've just done over the last 12 to 18 months. We have recently opened another sales office in Noss-on-Dart Marina in Dartmouth, which obviously allows us to be able to get better visibility for products like Nimbus boats, Beneteau, for obviously the Southwest and Highfield Ribs, along with the rib charter stuff that we do.